How to delete account of Squid Buster. Everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete the account of Squid Buster. So if you want to delete the account of Squid Buster, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch the Squid Buster game on your device. Once you have launched the Squid Buster game here, you have to wait until this opens. So once your Squid Buster game has been opened, you have to navigate to the top right corner, which is known as hamburger option. Just tap on that and go for the more option here. And after that, you have to scroll down and you can see the delete my account. Just go for the delete my account here. So you have to request for the deletion of your personal data and go for the delete my data here. And here you have to chat with the Squid Buster support. And you have to write that I'm taking a break from the game and I agree to delete my data here. And you can end your conversation too and just tap on the delete your account. And here you can see that your deletion request has been now processed successfully. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete your Squid Buster game or Squid Buster account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.